I just fired my $500 a month freelancer, and it only took me 10 minutes to replace them. Most creators are bleeding cash on editors, writers, and researchers. They're stuck in the old world of paying for labor. But the drift is changing. I've built a $0 production stack using 5 secret AI tools that do the work of a full team faster, better, and completely free. In this video, I'm giving you the exact stack I use to run AI Tech Drift without spending a single dollar on labor. Let's get to work. The game has changed. We aren't just using AI to help, we are using it to automate the entire production chain. No more waiting for drafts, no more revisions, no more payroll, just pure automated output. Here is the 3-step automation secret. 1. AI research. 2. AI generation. 3. AI distribution. It's a closed loop. Tool number 1. Grok AI. Forget Chat GPT. Grok has real-time access to the pulse of the internet. This is where I find the viral angles that everyone else misses. Tool number 2, Perplexity AI. This is your research team. It fact-checks, sources, and structures your data in seconds. Tool number 3, Google Flow or Flux. This replaces your graphic designer. It creates the high-end 4K brand assets you see on this channel. Tool number 4, ElevenLabs. This is the voice of authority. It replaces a professional voice actor with a single click.
Hi, this is AI Tech Drift. Hope whoever is watching this having an amazing day.
Tool number 5, Luma AI. This is your animation studio. It takes a static image and turns it into a cinematic motion graphic. 5 tools, $0, 1 high conversion video ready for the algorithm. When you remove the cost of labor, you remove the risk of failure. You can test 10 niches for the price of 0. This is how you scale from one channel to a faceless empire. You don't need a team. You need a system. The drift isn't just about AI, it's about freedom from the $500 a month grind. I've just given you the keys to the kingdom. The tools are free. The workflow is proven. The only thing missing is you. If you're ready to stop paying freelancers and start building systems, hit that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment. What's the first freelancer you're going to fire? I read everyone. Let's drift.